Okay, so I received a interestingly packaged item in the mail just a few days ago. Now these are some fancy $20 hobby snips. Now, in fairness, I've only ever used these like crappy couple dollar ones like this, and both these are actually broken and no longer have any tension in them. So picked up these were probably too much money, but I figured I'd give my honest reaction because apparently they are supposed to be life changing, and I really would hope so. These were actually, I think the company sells multiple price points. These were the cheapest. I think just above this, it was $40 for. I think would be a pretty basic tool, but I have to say the packaging is nice. Uh, but I guess the real test will be these. I guess for a control, just my usual go-tos. Uh, I mean, like, fine, right? Normal. These. Okay, hold on a second. That's that's interesting. So, I mean, even visually, it's kind of hard to tell because you can feel the texture more than you can see it. But like, if you can see, I cut this with this guy, and here there's uh there's some obvious deformation in the plastic. And I mean, fine. Usually we just go in with our hobby knives and we trim that out. So realistically, this isn't gonna have an effect on your final product. Meaning, um, as an investment, I might not recommend them, but they do cut nice, and you can tell. I do know that they are single side cutters, which definitely is doing something, but I think more than that, just really great steel, um, and obviously a much thinner blade. Even just sort of visually, you can tell from that profile. Means these are like wonderful. If you really want to get up to a piece, I assume yeah, you could just cut something off here. And I mean, like, I guess I could have been a little bit closer to the edge, but still, I think you could probably even come in here. I would assume. I mean, like, that's that's pretty nice. That's not getting all the way to the edge there, but I mean, you can't quite cut it flush, but I'm sure it's gonna be a lot better. However, I probably would not be putting these in. If you're a new hobbyist, uh, you don't probably need these. If money's tight, obviously get these instead. This probably shouldn't be in your first 5 or even 10 hobby purchases. So from all I've done here, you can tell that this is a high quality, well manufactured product. However, the price also reflects that. And just a quick little addendum to say, I am coming at this from a sort of Warhammer point of view. Obviously, for the gunpla people, this is gonna have some extra utility that I'm really not taking consideration.